Welcome to day 4 of 12 days of Christmas. If you missed yesterday's video, we made some oven mitts. I will put it in the cards up above. I never remember what corner it's in. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a thrift flip. This is a super easy DIY and it's not a very long video. We're going to be making over some village houses. I picked these up at the thrift store for $2.49 a piece. This one is my favorite. They ended up coming out like textured, which I absolutely love. Was an accident, but you could totally get some textured spray paint and make them look textured as well. Let's get into the video. I went Black Friday shopping at Goodwill with my mother-in-law and I picked up some village houses. So I paid $2.49 for these from the Goodwill. I love this one. So cute with the little lights and the Christmas tree. So I'm just going to give them a facelift. This is a super easy project to give your village houses that you already have or some village houses that you find at the thrift store a facelift and make them like match your decor better now. So I picked up some paints and we're gonna get to painting these village houses. I put down some newspaper. So I want these to be kind of pink for the bodies. So I'm going to pour out some pink paint on my platter. And I'm gonna put some white on there as well so that we can kind of mix a custom color. I'm gonna mix some pink with some white to make the exterior color. And I'm literally just gonna paint it. I actually hate the way this looks. There's no way to make it like not look sloppy, so I am gonna spray paint them and then I'll go back and like, I don't know, brush some, maybe some yellow on and make it look like it's not all one color, but I don't love the way it looks like this, so I think spray painting it is the way to go. Let's go spray paint these. How the little village houses came out. This was so easy of a project because we really just spray painted them. I'm not sure if my spray paint was defective. I actually think it was defective because they didn't get a textured spray paint, but they did come out textured, which I really like. I think it looks really cool. I didn't love the way that they looked when I was painting them, so I just decided to paint them all white. And I love the tree on this one. Here is another one. I will show you what they look like styled on my mantle. Thank you so much for joining me on day 4 of 12 days of Christmas. This is the easiest DIY that we have done yet. There are gonna be some more cute DIYs, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. I will see you in tomorrow's video.